Dear Dolly, ready to go. Oh, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. My name's George Ross. This is Retro Reselling. I buy and sell second-hand tap from boot sales, charity shops, auctions, places like that. Sell them online for a profit. That is my business. Bit of a difference today, using a different camera. I'm actually using my phone today because if you did see the live stream, this live stream here, click over if you haven't seen it yet. Obviously, my GoPro was attached to my backpack. It's Monday morning now. The GoPro is still attached to my backpack. So, yeah, using the phone, which means I can't use my head mount because we're going to pick some orders today. So using the phone, hopefully it comes out okay. But it's going to be the same as usual. We're going to go through my racking. We're going to go through my weekend orders. We've got 10 eBay, 1 Depop, and 1 YouTube. A certain item down here. But we'll come to that last. So I can't put you on my head, so we're going to have to do a bit of one-handed action while I hold you. We're going to go through each item, obviously, what I spent on it, how long it's been listed, what it's sold for. Hopefully pick up some tips and tricks on the way. Then go out again, hopefully Wednesday and this weekend with better weather, hopefully, to get some more cool stuff to sell for a profit. So, let's flip you around and let's get picking. Problem solved. Just been in my camera bag and we have a camera holder with the GoPro mount. Yes, I make my life a lot easier when picking orders. So, let's get you attached. Let's get picking orders. Let's see what's sold. Here we go, scroll to the bottom. First item, we have a cassette player made in Japan. Made by Crown. That'll be up here. Keep my small electronics all together, and it's right at the front. That's handy. Crown, made in Japan, stereo cassette tape. Nothing special about this. Simply plays, rewinds, fast forwards. Doesn't do anything fancy at all. Just a standard made in Japan cassette tape. It's supposed to be £5. This is from Sonny's shop. I'll put a link down here. Sonny's been a subscriber for a little while, and now he has his own shop down in Southend. Down South Church, which I should be doing a video on. Just got to get some free time, go down to his shop, see what it's all about, have a look round and things, and see how that sort of reselling goes with a retail shop. When I visited last, Amy was getting a haircut from my sister. Popped in, got this in a bundle. This owes me £5. It's gone for $18.99 plus postage. It's a nice little profit, helping out a subscriber as well. Next up, we've got a typewriter that's been sold for the second time. Here we go. I think this is the one. This was probably bargain of the year. They only asked £1 for this typewriter. Got to be asking more than £1 for a really nice vintage typewriter like this. This is a Silver Reed SR10 in mint condition. I've never seen a vintage typewriter in such nice condition. Even underneath. Not a speck of dust. Sold it once and it got returned. They made up some excuse of it's not typing properly. The keys are loose, or the end key was loose. Yeah. Tested it when it got returned. It works absolutely fine. Sent them a picture of it working, and of course they've gone quiet. So in that situation where they've basically got a free return, I've just contacted eBay, explained what's going on, obviously proof to eBay that it's been relisted, which it has, and it's sold again, just to show eBay that I haven't sold something faulty, and then just asking for a free refund. It's working. They didn't want to pay for the return because they've changed their mind. So yeah, that way I've reported the buyer, so obviously a dink on their account, and I've got a refund on the return postage. So yeah, annoying, but that's what comes with this online business, I'm afraid. But sold again. Owes me £1, gone for £70 plus £6 postage. Yeah, amazing result. Next up, we've got a basketball, and I think this is the last one I have, which is in here. I used to have about 12 of these basketballs. It's a Spalding, just NBA simple indoor-outdoor basketball, obviously brand new. Bought this from a boot sale last year. They sell like American items. I bought some baseball bats from them, but I bought them at the back end of last year, so it was into autumn, which wasn't a good buy really. But they owe me £4 each. They were tricking along, but now I've completely sold out, and this one has gone for $16.99 plus postage. So from £4, nice little bread and butter item, one listing times 12 or whatever it was I had. So nothing blow away again, but just simple to list, like one listing with multiples. I think they're selling some more, so I might top up on the weekend if I see them. Obviously if I get more, we're now hitting summer. We will be hitting summer next month. So hopefully the weather improves, people will be out playing basketball again. So yeah, if I get some more, restock, relist, resell. Alright, got a camera, which I think is right next to me. Here we go. This is a Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ10. Sold as spares repairs. This came from like a donation box last year when I was struggling. Made some bundle deals, and a couple of subscribers sent me like a box of donations basically for free, just to say thanks for the channel and everything. So really appreciate it. Absolutely blown away by the generosity. This was in the like electronics box. Yeah, tried to get it tested and working. I don't think it turned on. Did try a battery, but yeah, listed as spares repairs. It's gone for £9.99 plus postage. Nice and light, simple box, easy money. This was a quick sale, speaker sale, just here. It's quite heavy, with one hand. If you've seen my latest boot sale video, you probably recognise this one, JBL, that subwoofer, like car speaker. Here we go, nice and clean, in really good condition. Bought it for 10, and it's off to London now for £39.99 plus £5 postage. That should be okay. Smaller box, bit heavy, but should go with Hermes, no problem. Down the A12 to London. Obviously, I've only had this for like just under a fortnight. Listed for about a week, and sold really quickly. Got some headphones next up, which are just here. Was all bagged up as it had an adapter. This was from my 30 charity shots for turning 30 challenge. I think this was the very last item I picked up. £5, these Sony wireless headphones. It's got the wireless receiver there. They've gone for £19.99 plus £3 postage. Again, nice and light. They'll go no problem under a kilogram. So 5 to 20, again, just standard stuff, nice and easy. Listed in May, so sold in its first cycle, nice and quick. So yeah, really nice sale there. Another faulty item, but this is perfect when it comes to showing you to buy things faulty and still having your money safe. Sony Handycam. I think this owes me like £10, I think it was. It had a mains charger and it had a battery, but I split them out, listed them separately. There you go, I've wrote what's wrong with it. So it powers on, everything seems to be working except the eject button doesn't work. So the drawer doesn't open at all. I've tried everything, couldn't get it open. So it could be an easy fix for someone. But sold it as spares repairs with the matching bag. And this, with the problem, has gone for £49.99 plus postage. That's why you shouldn't be worried about paying up sometimes a little bit for electronics. Because when you've got the right thing that people can fix or collect, yeah, it doesn't really matter. We've got another faulty camera. This one didn't work out as well. This was a Ferguson 8mm camcorder. Just like the other one, this one is faulty. It opened out and nothing else is working. Even like the bag it came in smelt mouldy and things. Yeah, wasn't good. I paid £10. I split out the adapter, the mains adapter and things that came with other couple of bits. This on its own, £7.99 plus postage. So obviously make up a little bit of a loss, but with the mains charger, that will get my money back and a little bit of profit. So again, buying things faulty, recouping your money where you can, so not always lost. Another very quick sale. Listed this at the start of the weekend and it sold yesterday. Picked this up in a charity shop in Braintree a couple of weeks ago now. Yeah, listed it on the weekend and it sold on the weekend. This Viewmaster 3D. Yeah, nothing special. Not too old either. It's 1998, so it is vintage. Made in Mexico. Doesn't go with any reels or anything, just as it is. I think this was £2 or £3, something like that. I know it's dirt cheap. And it's gone for £14.99 plus postage. Nice sort of easy bill payer again. In and out, shake it all about. Done. And for eBay, we'll finish it off with some trainers. Yeah. Pair of Air Max 98 premiums, like black and pink here. Really nice condition. These actually owe me 30, so I've paid up a lot, and they've gone for £59.99. So I've doubled up before fees. Obviously with fees I've not quite doubled up. But the reason I've paid 30 for these is this was a charity auction actually. Saw an advert on Instagram about a charity auction selling vintage clothing and things like designer stuff. So I joined in. Obviously the £30 has gone straight to charity. That's why I didn't mind paying up a little bit. Bought a couple of other bits as well. So yeah, not amazing profit from a £60 sale, but it's obviously my £30 has gone straight to charity, which is really cool. I've made a little bit of profit and yeah, everyone's happy. So that's cool. These were listed in April, so a couple of months, but still nice and easy again. Put them in the bag, off they go. And it's gone to a good cause as well. So we'll now flip to Depop. We've got one sound Depop, and it's we've just got the one sound Depop this weekend, but it is to a subscriber. This one has gone to Andrew. They're just here. He saw them in a video. He was asking if I'd listed them yet. And I just listed them, and we agreed on £30 plus the postage. So £3 postage for these indoor Adidas like gum sole trainers. Bought for my shoes and boots, man. These owe me 15, so I've doubled up again. Could have got a bit more because Andrew's a subscriber. He got a subscriber special. I think I was hoping to get about 40, 45 to anyone else, but obviously subscriber special, £30, nice and quick. Obviously treat my subscribers as well. So again, if you are ever interested in items you've seen, hit me up a message. If it's not listed yet or you can't see it listed, then I haven't listed it. So send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, or an email. If it is listed already, then I have to sell it. Obviously on that platform, it's only fair that that platform gets its cut. Just please don't message on Depop or eBay if nothing is listed or the thing you're looking for is listed, or general questions, not on eBay please, not on Depop. I don't answer them, just so I don't get in trouble for trying to sell off eBay or anything like that. If it's on eBay, if it's on Depop, good, you can send a message about it, do a deal. You've seen an item I've only just picked up, then obviously I haven't listed it, haven't pictured it, then yeah, Facebook, Instagram, email, sort out a deal, and give you a good price, of course. And thanks again to Andrew. So that's all my regular items done. Nice little chair full to do there. Shouldn't take too long. A couple of bigger ones, the typewriter and the speaker, but yeah, that won't take too long at all. But then we come on to the YouTube sale. We've got Dolly. She is sold, but she hasn't gone for 4 figures, unfortunately. Obviously, thanks again for all the feedback on this item when it was in the boot sale video. It's not looking like it was genuine, but still not 100% sure. I don't know, there's just the makeup sort of sweat type marks on the collar and things. The bra put me off a bit, I wasn't sure. And people have said she's a bit of a modest lady, so it doesn't seem like she would do that sort of thing, like donate a bra. But yeah, really cool. Just the display alone was really nice, like a vintage display, like 3D effect, obviously, so it sticks out. Really big on the back. I was doing as much research as I could. I had others doing research as well for me, which was really kind of them. Looking at this era when the album came out, just couldn't really find anything. So obviously I paid £80 for this. I was going to ask maybe £295, £350 on eBay just as it sits. Obviously I can't confirm it's hers or anything. It's just a cool vintage display mock-up. Plus it made for a good thumbnail and video, which is cool. So £80. Lewis emailed me about this for his mum. Apparently his mum's a big Dolly Parton fan, and if we could do a deal on it, obviously subscriber special, do a good deal, flip it quickly, and they're picking it up in person as well, so no fees. And we agreed on 200 for this, so 80 to 200, no fees, pick it up in person. I was going to wrap this up like in a bike box and send it out, but obviously very risky with something big and heavy like this, so really appreciate that they are picking it up. And again, this could be something genuine. I don't know. I've been doing as much research as I could. Going to a subscriber, so got them a good deal. Got me a good bit of profit to go out again this weekend. Bank holiday weekend as well this weekend. So nice bit of cash to go out again. Get some more cool stuff. Oh, probably not as cool as that though. Really quirky. But again, it's taken up a lot of space over here. Finally, the tables and chairs have gone, which was to a subscriber as well. So they're going to do them up, fix them up, make a bit of profit on, which is good. Make me some space. So I've got some space up here now. Don't want stuff lingering like this. I could do more research, but it'll probably be weeks, months and months and months just sitting there stagnant, £80 eating up into it. So I'd rather a nice quick flip to a subscriber, and it's going as a present as well to their mum, who's a big fan, so that's really, really cool. That sold it for me. But I don't want big stuff sitting around too long. I haven't sorted this lamp out. This TV, B&O TV, that's lingering around. That did sell for £180. They haven't paid. It's back on again. Taking up a lot of space, even though it only owes me £1. I won this on eBay for 99p. B&O TV. But the remote control on its own is worth 60, 80 quid. So I'll give it another month or two. If it's still here, I might sell the remote and then sell that on its own. I'm not sure how, but just get rid of it, make space, make profit, move along. As we get into summer, like school holidays, when it's field after full field after full field, picking up loads of stuff, backing up, space is more valuable than actual stuff sitting around taking ages to sell. So that's how I operate. Lewis said he's due at about 5 past, so we've got about 20 minutes till Lewis comes. Dolly is off to a new home. Selling second-hand items. What a way to make a living. See you, Dolly. ready to go. Right, yeah, good thanks. Here she is. Yeah.
Amazing. It's pretty good.
And Dolly's Gone. So thanks to Louis, not Lewis, Louis. Drove down from Norfolk, picked it up for his mum, and yeah, got paid. So yeah, thanks so much, Louis. Thanks for coming down. I would have stuck and spoke to you for a bit longer, but they started chucking it down. So that's a shame. But yeah, thanks so much. Hopefully your mum enjoys it. I'm sure she will. It's a really, really cool piece. So yeah, reloaded now, ready for a bank holiday weekend of boot sale. So yeah, hopefully we can put that money to good use again. I'm halfway through packing now. I'm on my speaker next. Nice little pile going on down here. So they'll be out the door. And I'll see you in the next video, hopefully in the field, buying some more tat. I'll put a couple of videos to recommend next to watch if you want to stay around, so watch some more. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.